He is suffering, but he is thinking, I am enjoying. So any conditioned soul, he doesn't enjoy anything. He simply suffers. But he thinks that he is enjoying. Therefore the camel example is given. Camel example. Camel, he is eating his own blood. Eating thorns, and the thorns cutting the tongue. And from the tongue, blood is oozing out. So when the blood is mixed up with the thorny twigs, it becomes little tasteful. And he is thinking, oh, it is very nice. Similarly, all these grihasthas enjoying sex life, he is discharging his own blood, he is becoming weaker and weaker, he is thinking, I am enjoying. He is thinking, I am enjoying. If he uses more, then he becomes disease, tuberculosis. He is dying by that process, but he is thinking, I am enjoying. Therefore it is exemplified with the camel. He is enjoying his own blood by discharging. One drop of semen is made out of so many drops of blood. Do you know?
40 drops.
Just see. And how much drops of semen he is discharging, that when he is spoiling his blood. But he is thinking, I am enjoying. Would you like to, by giving your blood to enjoy? Would you like?
No, I don't think I
But you are doing that every night. That is what Maya.
I'm a brahmachari.
I am giving an example. This is going on. He is going to die. He has adopted a process by which he will die, and he thinks that he is enjoying. This is called Maya. Maya means things which is not. Maya. Ma means not. Ya means this. What you are thinking, it is not that. That is called Maya. So they are in Maya means they are thinking, these rascals are thinking, improving, becoming happy, advancing. This Maya word will finish everything. Maya, not this. Bhagavad says that you are thinking, you are becoming victorious, but you are being defeated. Parabhavastavad abodhajata. These rascals, abodhajata, born fools and rascals, they are becoming defeated in every step. Parabhavatavad abodhajata javanna jignasata atmatattam. So long he does not inquire about his self, what I am. He is simply being defeated, that's all. This is the verdict.
Walking further into the cave.
He is working foolishly like animal. He does not know what is soul, what he is, nothing of the sort. He is working hard day and night, and he is thinking, I am becoming victorious. This is called Maya. What victory? Have you won victory over birth, death? The real problem? No, we have won victory. We can now, without horse, we can go with a car. So what is there? With a horse or without horse, you cannot go anywhere else. You will be here within this world. That's all. Just like these rascals, now they have invented car. You know that? Formerly they are walking.
Now he's going car.
Yeah, that's all. What is that? That within the golf area, that's all. You know the cow? The cow is stuck up with a pole in India, a long rope, and he's thinking, I'm free.
They've made a longer rope.
Yes, and he's thinking, I'm so free. You know? These rascaldom is going on.
The one who wrote Paradise Lost, Milton,
Yeah.
he also wrote a poem which said that a working man is nothing but a devil's slave.
Yes, that's it.
He works so hard for his money, but not his life can he save.
No, what he will do with the money? He will satisfy his senses. That's all.
And he loses.
So
sells his
he's
life.
servant of the senses.
He sells his energy.
Yes.
Krishna's energy, that is energy. Mind's energy.
Migration of soul. Suppose this time I am very great scientist, and next life I become a tree like this. What is my advancement? Stand up for 10,000 years. What is the advancement?
Going backwards.
Huh?
Going backwards.
Yes, not going to hell. That's all. Right. We are trying to be naked. Nature will say, yes, you stand here naked for 10,000 years. Yes, that is the punishment for being naked. Human life is not meant for becoming naked. That is, according to Vedic civilization, a great sin. You see? So their propensity, they are increasing to become naked. Like our George, what is it? Lennon.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So next time he's going to be tree. Stand up. Otherwise, where from the trees come? They cannot explain. You become tree, that's all. Just like the Nolakubet, they are taking bath naked without caring for Narad. All right, you become naked for 100 years.
Among the trees also there are different grades of trees.
Oh yes. Everywhere different grades. That is God's creation. Varieties.
So those trees which bear nice fruits and nice flowers.
Yeah, they
They
are
are-
fast trees. Otherwise, why I am taking care of this leaf? Because the flower is there. And who cares for this leaf? Trampling down. As in human society, there is first class man, second class man, third class man. Similarly, in every field, first class animal also.
Cows.
Yes, useful, giving milk, most humble, useful. Even after death, it is useful. And they are so rascal, they are taking care of the dog, not of the cow. Just see how they are rascal. And they are advanced, civilized. They do not know what is meant by civilization. Now, according to Vedic scripture, cow killing is sinful. It is never written dog killing is sinful. Generally, any animal you kill, that is sinful. But especially, cow killing is sinful. Gohatya. Gohatya. And that cow killing is going on in the Christian world, and still they are religious. What kind of religion? Christian religion says generally thou shalt not kill. And especially they are killing cows. Generally killing and especially killing. First thing is why they shall kill at all. In America, there was sufficient food. So much rice, so much wheat, so much oats, fruits, grains and butter and ghee. But why they shall kill? What is the reason? Now what is that bird is killed in Christmas?
Turkey?
Turkey, you see. Christmas, Jesus Christ, he said, thou shalt not kill, but his birthday is observed by killing.